Today I'm going to be reviewing Newcare. Look at this. Newcare double splitter, your Ethernet splitter. It is powered through USB-C to USB-A. I'd like to thank Newcare for sending this to me to review. This does also come with another Ethernet cable, 3 feet. If you do streaming like I do, but you have multiple devices and you don't want them on Wi-Fi, you want a good, clean connection, this is a great way to do it. So just one line in, the 2 out. Get up to 1000 megabits per second on one line. If you split it into 2, then it will be 500 each, which is plenty for most things. You do have to power it right here, but overall, I mean, this is going to do exactly what you want. It's a nice metal casing. The back is plastic, but this part is metal or aluminum. What it looks like up close. This gets 4.4 stars, which is what I like to see. Only 130 ratings, but it is an overall pick. And last month, October 2025, 500 plus of these were bought. So people are buying them, people are liking them. I'm not seeing that they're getting returned a lot or returned often. So I'd like to see that. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.